and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with an unboxing. This is for my March 2020 Boxy charm. So let's just get into the box. And for those who don't know what Boxy charms is, this is a monthly beauty subscription. They put 5 to 7 products, full size, like deluxe size, samples I think, but I think mostly full size products in the box. This is $25 a month, and they take out the payment every first of the month. This is my third box. I want to say this is my third box, so I'm very excited to see what's in this box. Let's just get into it. If you want to see what I have in my Boxy charm, then stay tuned. So this is how the box looks when you first receive it. It has your information on the other side. When you first open it up, it has all the hashtags and the Instagram logos and things at the top. It says Boxy charm right here, and then all the products sit right here. It usually has some foam in it, but it doesn't have any this one. So this is how the box looks. Let's just get into the products. So the first thing I have in here is a Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is a limited edition product. It says that this is made exclusively for Boxy charm. So this is 3.4 fluid ounces. And this is how the container looks. So this is just a makeup cleansing balm. I don't wear makeup. I dropped the spoon, but it came with a little spoon right here. And then I guess you just open it up, like twist the top. Oh, it smells good. And then it has this little balm for you to remove your makeup. So that's the first item I have. It usually comes with the card to tell you how much everything costs, and it doesn't have a card. So I'm gonna have to look these products up, and I'll put the amount for them on the screen somewhere so that you can know. But this is the first product, and again, this is a Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and this is obviously a full-size product. The next thing we have in here is the Hydro Dramatic Ultimate Moisturizer for your eyes. This is by Murad. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. This is the container right here. So this is just like an eye moisturizer. Very interesting to try this. I love like moisturizer for your eyes and eye creams and things like that. This is how the product looks. It looks like a lot of top and not a lot of product. So when you first open it, it has the little top on there and you take it off. It looks really creamy. There's a big hole in there, but I don't know. Me and Jackie Naturals, we always talk about we don't got a lot of product because they be skeeting us on the product. So this is the next product, and I will make sure to put the price on there for you. The next thing we have in here is a lip gloss. This is a Vintage by Jessica Libiskin or something like that. Look at this. It looks like there's no product right here at all, like, but it's sealed. So that kind of sucks. Like, it looks like somebody used half of the lip gloss and then sealed it up. So that's it. But this is the product right here. Simple packaging. It says this is the pink sequin. It really does. Oh, it smells like plastic, y'all. I'm just gonna rub it on my hand. It feels kind of sticky a little bit. It has like a brush applicator. That's the applicator. And this is how it looks. It's just like a light gloss. The smell is really bad, and it feels like a little sticky. Ugh. That's the next product. The next thing we have in here is a Project Beauty Hair Grit. This is an intense repair yogurt hair mask. This sounds really good because yogurt's in it, I guess. This is almond honey. This is 4 fluid ounces. It says helps repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. It cleanses and conditions hair using almond honey. Intense repair hair grit line Okay, I'm interested to try this. So this is the next product, full-size product. Okay. The last thing that we have in this box is this. This is the Living in Color palette. It looks like this. Very cute packaging. Let's open this up and see what it's about. Okay. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And it has all the colors that will be contained in the package on the outside of it. And you open it up, it has a nice little mirror in there. And then these are the colors. They have some really neutral colors. Then they have some pops of glitter and some matte colors. Really cute. This is nice. And I'll make sure that I put the price of it down below for you. So that's really all that we have. This box is like, it's not whack, but it ain't like popping. Like some of the other boxes, it's okay. For the most part, I'm going to use 3 products and then I'm getting rid of 2, so that's not bad at all. But that's all I have for my BoxyCharm unboxing for March 2020. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in BoxyCharm, I'll go ahead and put the link down below. I did go ahead and upgrade to a Boxy Luxe, so I'll be getting that box soon. I think that's like an additional $25 or $20, something like that, so you'll get 2 boxes. But the other box is worth way more and comes with way more stuff. But there's a waiting list, so I don't think I'm actually getting a box yet. I'm just on the wait list. But yeah, until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.